How to install the drawer safe. Note: a space left on the right side or at the bottom of the safe for emergency unlock with override key. Pull out the drawer. Open the safe with the override key. Pull out the shelving. Open the battery cabin cover on right hand. Insert 488 alkaline battery. Keypad light on and it sounds a long beep, then light off, power on successfully. Open the battery cabin cover on left hand. Insert 488 alkaline battery. Glass panel light on, power on successfully. Press the safe body with your left hand. Hold at the bottom of the drawer with your right hand. Pull up. Detach the drawer from the safe body. Place the safe body on the desired position. Align the safe body with the cabinet horizontally. Install both sides of safe body on the cabinet with screws. Fully extend the sliding rails. Install the drawer. Note: fully extend the sliding rails. The front ends next to the front door of the drawer. Hold the drawer's side and sliding rails. Press down softly and slide slowly into the safe body. Put double side tape on the front door of the drawer. Pre-install the handle on the cabinet front door. Align both sides of front door with the cabinet. Press and make it tight. Pull out the panel softly. Open the drawer with any finger. Install the drawer on the front door with 4 screws. Pull out the drawer again. Place the drawer vertically. Open the screw hole caps on the front door of the drawer. Install the drawer on the front door with screw. Put on the hole caps. Fully extend the sliding rails. Install the drawer. Testing: move forth and back 4 times to check if it moves smoothly. Install the shelving. The safe is successfully installed. Note: keep the override key properly, not keep in the drawer.